Ever wondered how to create stunning gold foil designs using a heat press? These designs, popular for their unique shimmer, can be brought to life with the help of a heat press. If you've been intrigued by the allure of gold foil designs, stick around as we unravel the mystery behind creating them. Before we dive into the process, don't judge my stock photos. We all have to start somewhere, and it was free, haha. Okay, let's focus. It's essential to understand the materials we'll need. First off, gold foil, the star of our show, giving us that shiny, luxurious finish. Next, the heat press, which applies pressure and heat to transfer the foil. You'll also need a design stencil to guide your creation, adhesive to bond the foil to your base material, which could be a t-shirt, paper, or anything you fancy. With these materials at hand, you're all set to start creating your own gold foil designs. Now we'll walk you through the process of creating a gold foil design using a heat press. The first step is to prepare your design. Choose a digital image or text that you want to apply the gold foil to. Make sure to size it correctly and mirror flip it, so it appears correctly when transferred onto your material. You can use heat-resistant transfer tape to secure it in place. This will prevent any movement during the heat transfer process. Once you've applied the adhesive onto your base material, you're ready for the next step. For this, you'll use your design stencil to ensure precision. Be careful not to apply too much adhesive. A thin, even layer will do the trick. Placing the gold foil over it, gently lay the foil onto the adhesive, ensuring it covers all the design areas. Make sure the foil is flat and smooth, as wrinkles can affect the final result. Now comes the exciting part, using the heat press. Set the temperature and the pressure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, load your gold foil onto your heat press machine. Ensure that the shiny side of the foil is facing up. This will ensure the metallic finish is properly transferred onto your design. Then press and start the machine. Close the heat press and apply firm, even pressure. Allow the heat press to work its magic and transfer the gold foil onto the material. When the time's up, carefully peel away the foil. If done correctly, your design should now be transferred onto the material, gleaming in gold. And voila, you've just created your own stunning gold foil design. So, creating gold foil designs using a heat press isn't as daunting as it seems, right? We've walked through the materials, the process, and voila, dazzling gold foil art. With some practice, you can create intricate and unique gold foil designs that are sure to impress. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and shine on.